Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to change WordPress admin password from SiteGround. So no more waiting, let's go. First you have to go SiteGround. So I'm just going, and you have to log in. So I'm just sign in on SiteGround, and it will take a little bit time to loading. And now after loading you can see the network, so you have to click on service and you have to go manage. And now the main part is which website do you want to change the password. So I'm changing I want to change the password from on the website, so just simply click the manage, and then you can see the site tools, so you have to click on the site tools. And now on the left side this is the WordPress, so you have to click on that, and then you can see the install and manage, so simply click here. And at the bottom right corner you can see the three dot icon, so you have to click here. And now this is the clear, you can see the admin update admin password, so just click here. And this user, so user will be selected automatically, so you are not able to change user from there, so you have to just you can see the new password, so when you put the new password and confirm, then the admin the password will be changed automatically. So this video will be end here, and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.